all you natural people. I'm Natural Gamer, and today I'm going to be playing some One Finger Death Punch. I actually played this game before, but there was the music on, so I figured I'd get a copyright strike. So I'm going to replay for you guys. Figure this out. So the first video I made of this won't be up, but this one will. Alright, let's go. Mob around, here we go. Punch, punch. Get punched. Ooh, blood, 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 blood. Nope. Oh. Yes. Oh, baby. 10 kill streak without getting hit. Good job. Perfection. Perfection. 3 fists. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 right there. Alright. Ooh. Advertisements. Right. Next level. Boom. I missed. I'm messing up. I messed him so badly there. I have to retry. Darn it. Fail. Right, let me retry. I've never been this bad at One Finger Death Punch before. Usually I only die on, like, the hard levels. Ooh, oh, that was close. No! Again! Freaking again! Seriously, I've never been this bad. Sorry about that cough, but as I mentioned, I've never been this bad at One Finger Death Punch. And I promise you guys, I will do 3 levels. Here he comes. Nope. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Almost defeated this level. Yes! Oh, finally. Master combo. Hopefully you guys are seeing this okay. I think you are. Alright. Finally, I completed this level. Okay, next one. This is going to be the final one for today. If you guys are watching this video and haven't seen my other ones, I posted 2 Batman Arkham Origins, one of just me messing around, another of a glitch, and I also uploaded some prototype videos today, or 1 prototype video. If you haven't seen those, please go check them out. Ooh, yes. And on that note, I'm going to end it here. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed One Finger Death Punch. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright, stay natural, all you natural people. I'm Natural Gamer here, signing out. Goodbye.